In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change the number of columns in your Divi Blog module. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to create the blog post and also add your featured images. Now it's time to build our page. So I'm going to come over here and click on Add New. We're going to give this page a name and then click on Use Divi Builder. For this example, we're going to use a pre-made layout. So I'm going to come over here and click on Browse Layouts. Okay, so I'm going to search for my layout and this is the one that I want. I'm going to go ahead and select it and then click on Use this layout. The next step is to go into our blog module settings. So I'm going to click here on this gear icon, set your post count to 10. Next, let's head over here to our design tab, click on Layout. And here by default, it's set to grid. Now we want this to be set to full width. So let's go ahead and select full width. Next, we're going to add our border. So I'm going to come all the way down here, click on border and set our border to 1 pixel. And we also need to add a color to our border. So I'm going to click here on this pencil icon, paste my values between the brackets. And by the way, if you want to use the exact same colors as I'm using throughout this tutorial, I will leave a link to the post in the video description below. Next, we're going to add our CSS class. So I'm going to come over here to Advanced, CSS ID and Classes, and add my class in here. That's all we need to do for now. The next step now is to add our code module. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, scroll all the way down here to my last post, and then we're going to add our code module. I'm going to search for it and select it. So let's start by adding our style tags. So the code I'm going to use is in the blog post, which I'll link to in the show notes below. All right, so I'm going to come over here now and paste our code. And notice that things have changed on our blog post. So if you look at that now, we have our grid and things are starting to take shape. So now I'm going to enter the entire code so we can see the final design. So I'm just going to highlight and delete what we have so far and then enter my entire code. Now let's take a look at our final blog design. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By doing so, you'll be notified every time we release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.